How to check SIM card phone number on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then, scroll down the main list to find and tap on Phone. In the Phone Settings menu, you'll see options to configure features like call forwarding and call waiting. Scroll down a bit, and you will find a field labeled My Number, which clearly displays your phone number. Whether you have a new SIM card and haven't memorized your number yet, or you simply need to find it quickly to share with someone, you can find your phone number by these methods. Following these steps, you can easily check your phone number on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.